a garden in the rain, close to a little leafy lane. A touch of color neath skies of gray. The raindrops kiss the flower beds, the blossoms raise their thirsty heads. A perfumed thank you they seem to say. Surely here was charm beyond compare to view. Maybe it was just that I was there with you. Was just a garden in the rain, but then the sun came out again and sent us happily on our way. Surely here was charm beyond compare to view. Maybe it was just that I was there with you. Was just a garden in the rain, but then the sun came out again and sent us happily on our way.